It's time for a frenzy of feline facts, a catalogue of stats, you're bound to react like Towser from Perth who killed 30,000 mice, which is pretty impressive but not very nice. Incredible and crazy stuff, like the pussycat from Texas called Cream Puff was the key for longevity, her furry fluff. She was 38 years old before she purred enough. Tinker Toy was a tiny creature, no higher than 7 centimeters. Stewie by contrast from head to toe was 1.23 meters. I know, finally there's a startling stat. Meet the world's most prolific cat. Dusty from Texas had kittens aplenty.
How many?
420.
What?